Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. In last session, we learned about different type of dimensions. Along with dimensions, we also have to check the dimension style. We have to check the text height, the patterns, and some other attributes while dimensioning a specific drawing. In this session, we will learn how we can use the dimension styles in order to get more professional and the best possible dimensioning. Without any further delay, let us start by using dimension style. You can simply type SD to access the special dimension style manager. Here, let's create a new style. We can give it a name and start with ISO 25. And then we can click on modify to assign different type of attributes on this specific drawing. As you can see, there are different types of options available from where you can change the attributes. We will see all of them one by one. We can change the color, line type, line weight. Then there are some other options of line type extension lines. And then we have offset from origin and extension beyond the dimension lines. You might be familiar with a few and you will get familiar with the others with the passage of time. Moving next, we have symbols and arrows. From here, you can change the arrow sizes, the center marks, etc. Then we have text. We can change the text style, text color, and the fill code. The most important is text height. When you are dealing with very small or very large drawings, you must set the text height to an appropriate value. Usually, it is done with reference to your largest part of drawing or with the hit and trial method. Then we have this fit option. I recommend either text or arrows best fit. In primary units, let's choose without any points, and then I recommend to use period. For the decimal, sometimes we have a comma by default. Then for some alternate units and for tolerances, we have these options. The most important, I would repeat again, is the text height, because it can change the entire value or the entire aesthetic value of your complete drawing. If you have a small drawing and the annotations or dimensions are quite large, it will be look very saggy and unprofessional. Similarly, if you have a large drawing with very small and not readable dimensions or annotations, it is also not recommended and seems very unprofessional. Next, let's practice some multi-leaders. For that, we will create a specific geometry right from the origin 0, 0. We have created a vertical line and then a horizontal, and then repeat the same structure until we get a specific closed shape. Now we will create small circles inside. this shape. We will have three circles at three different positions. We will go to Annotate, click on Multi-Leader option. We have to specify the position of arrow. Let's turn off Ortho, give it a slight degrees of angle, and then click the left mouse button. Now it will ask us to give a description. Let's write something. Now we have different options. From here, we can add the leader. Let's add from here. Keep its arrow on this position, like this, and let's create another random one that could be deleted. From this icon, we can delete these additional or unnecessary leaders. We will select them and press Enter or Spacebar to complete the command. Then we have some more options like Align or Collect. So you can try them yourself as well. Now let's see the effect of our dimension style. Here you can see in this picture of this specific size, you get dimensions of these style. As we set 5, this dimension text is of 5 units. 5 units in height. Let's confirm it from this orientation again. You can see it is exactly 5, like we selected in the start of this session. Let's go to Dimension Style Manager again. Select All Geo, Modify, go to the text height and select 2.5. And let's apply it and close it. Now you can see the dimension is 2.5 in height. So in this way, you can use the multi-leaders, add them, delete them, and you can also change the dimension styles by simply pressing the D from your keyboard and pressing enter. It will make your drawings more professional and more preferable. See you in next session. Till then, take care.